Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TopFollow app. First, ensure you have downloaded and installed the TopFollow application from a reliable source. Once installed, open the app and either create a new account or log in using your existing social media credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, which typically features a dashboard, a coin balance display, and navigation tabs at the bottom. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience. The primary way to gain followers and likes is by earning coins. You can earn free coins by simply following other users within the app. Look for the Earn Coins or Follow button. Additionally, the app often provides opportunities to gain bonus coins through daily check-ins, completing small tasks, or participating in special promotions. Typically, 100 coins might translate to 10 new followers, but this rate can vary. Accumulating coins is your first step towards boosting your profile. Once you have accumulated a sufficient number of coins, you can start boosting your social presence. Navigate to the Get Followers or Get Likes section. Here, you can specify how many followers or likes you wish to receive, and the app will deduct the corresponding number of coins from your balance. For example, you might spend 500 coins for 50 new followers. You can then monitor the progress of these additions directly within the TopFollow app, observing your profile's growth. To ensure a positive experience, use TopFollow responsibly. Avoid excessive activity that might flag your account on social media platforms. It's wise to balance app-generated growth with organic engagement, perhaps aiming for a 75% organic to 25% app-generated ratio. Also, explore advanced features such as auto-follow, which can automate coin earning, or options to target specific demographics if available. Always prioritize the security of your social media account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.